Hi, this is Mimi from Mimi's Paper Crafting. Welcome back to my channel, and welcome back to September Build a Journal 2025, where we spend the month of September building a journal one step at a time. So by the time the month is over, you have a journal ready to go for whenever you need it. Okay? So we're pretty far into September, which means we're pretty far into our journal. So far, we have gathered our supplies, cut our papers, and decorated our cover, made tags and pockets, paper clips and journal spots, ephemera and envelopes, charms and jewelry, and added trims to our journal. So today, you guys, is the fun part. Today we get to fill our journal. Here is all my stuff that has to go in this journal, and I still have a bunch of stuff left that I'm going to put off to the side. I also have my charm that we made together that I kind of feel like I want to put beads in between each one of these charms so they don't get as tangled, but I also kind of feel like I like that. So here we go. We're going to get started, and I'm going to get started with pockets and envelopes is what I'm going to get started with. Okay? Pockets and envelopes. So I do know that it is the same day I put the trims on, you guys. So my trims are not, by the time I need to use this in October, I will have Fabri-Tac. And if I don't, you call me out in the freaking comments, okay? Because I haven't had Fabri-Tac for like a year. So I'm going to use this big vellum, couldn't think, envelope. And I'm going to glue it, and I'm going to tape it in with double stick tape. Now I want this in the front so I can put extra journaling cards and stuff in here. And why, may you ask? So I don't have them all floating. And if I need one, it's not on a certain page and I don't have to go digging for it. This way, I am just having them in the front, and when I need a journal card, I can just grab a journal card. If I need a journal card for decoration, I can just grab it for decoration. If I need it to journal on, I can grab it to journal on. That. Oh, this is just Eileen's tacky glue. I thought for a second it was Eileen's fabric glue. I don't have any kind of fabric glue. Ay. I might though, you guys. When I'm done filming all these videos, just glue it in with nail glue, because I do have nail glue and I know the nail glue will hold it. I'm so ridiculous. I just need to go get Fabri-Tac. It's just so expensive. That's the issue. It's expensive. I don't want to have to pay for it. I'm going to put the flap going this way so everything is easier for me to get in and out. And I am just going to line it up there. And I think I'm going to take, give me a second here. Well, I was hoping I had Halloween washi, and I don't. I have fall and Christmas. But I want to tape this edge that keeps coming up down. So I'm just going to use washi to do that. And I went a little too far. We don't want to cover our, I don't want to cover my key ring. So there we go. And I'm going to flip over here. See, look, this one came off completely. And do the same over here. Just to make sure this stays down. I glued it down, but the glue is not wanting to keep it down. So we're just going to use washi. And then we will move on. And I will. This like did not stick at all. The purple did. I don't understand why this one didn't. The purple stuck somewhat. Anyway, we'll fix that later. All right, so now we have our pocket in the front that I can put journaling cards in. And here are my journaling cards. So I'm going to put these in and get them in here. There we go. All right, we have this front page, which never has anything on it. So let's add a tag, shall we? Shall we just glue that tag down? And then I have some ephemera and some words. I was hoping there would be, oh, right there, October. Is the word October. And it's right in the front. Thank you very much. Oh, I mean on the side. Easy to get to. So I'm going to use the word October. And then I also have, where are they? Here we go. We have these, and I think I'm going to use the orange. Cut this out so I can put 2025 inside this little circle here. So I'm most likely not going to show you everything because we're doing a flip through for the next video. But I'm going to show you a few pages and then do everything else off camera. We have this like that. That looks pretty cute. So let's glue this. Oh, let's see if my glue is going to work. My glue has been clogged like crazy. I did say in the last video that eventually you'll be seeing me use the My Sweet Petunia glue press thingy, because I did end up buying one for myself. It just hasn't even shipped yet at this point. But I'm really tired of this glue bottle being clogged constantly. Doesn't matter. I got glue right there. So you know what we're going to do? We're just going to come back up here and cover it with this. Like so. And you'll never know that I got glue. Well, you'll know I got glue there, but no one else will know I got glue there. Because I have to take my pin off because heaven forbid my glue bottle not be unclogged ever. Also, I bought it because I am hoping that it helps with my thumb hurting all the time. I don't think squeezing helps with my thumb. Helps my thumb to not hurt. All right, there's still glue there. I don't care. We're moving on, and I'm just going to use this purple pen because it's sitting right here and write 2025. All right. Now we have more pockets. So what I usually do is go through and see where I would want to put a pocket. So I'm going to put a pocket here. Let's put a little tiny one here. And there's a tall one, but I don't know. I think I'm not going to use that one. It's very tall. So let's put this one here, and then we have one more, this really big one, and let's put it right here, and that way I can fill that up with all kinds of things. I'm not going to use glue because this glue is pissing me off, so I'm just going to use double-sided tape. I will use glue for the pockets. All right. And whatever I have for this day can go in the pocket. We're only gonna put that right there. And there was one more right here. Oh, the dog is barking. And you know what? I'm not going to run up there. The boyfriend can get up. I don't give two flying fig Newtons. Okay. Now, oh, I forgot about this one. I forgot about that one. Let's use this double-sided tape for this one. Okay. As soon as I'm done with this, I have to go upstairs and make stuffed peppers and get them in the crock pot because it's supposed to be in the 90s again for 3 days. And I don't want to turn the oven on or the stove, and I don't want to grill. All right, there we go. So now all I'm going to do is go through here and find a place to put our paper clips. So we're going to put one here on the front so we can decorate the front. I'm just going to flip to a random spot and nope, let's flip to a different random spot that had something on the, here we go. So we have that hanging off, and then we'll put this, I'm trying not to put where there's already stuff. That's the only thing I'm trying to do. Put that one there, and we have one last one. So let's put this here, hanging off here. And then I'm going to just put these in random spots because when I need them, I'll just be able to grab them. So I have the bulldog clip and then this clothespin, and I can just grab it off of a page if I need it. All right, so this is what it's looking like so far. And I think that will be the end of this video. You've seen how to, I mean, you guys know how to put stuff in your journals, okay? You put it where you want it. So I'm not using this. I'm going to put that away. But I have pockets, tags, and a bunch of ephemera to fussy cut. I only pulled this out in case I needed some, so I'm going to put that away. I might cut this in half and put it in that envelope in the front so I have it. Same with these. And then I have to fussy cut these out. Maybe. I don't know if I want to or not. I think I might be picky and choosy and pick out only a few, like the pumpkins and the owls and like the star. I don't like that one. I'm not a fan. The witches' hats are okay. I don't really want the vampire, the little kid vampires. So I'm going to be a little bit picky and fussy cut only out the ones that I want to use. And then I have my charm. So there we go. Thank you guys for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and tune in for the next video, because in the next video I will do a final flip through so you can see what my final journal looks like. And that'll be it for September Build a Journal. Can you believe it? I would say September flew by fast, but it's freaking August for me because I film ahead. So September flew by fast, didn't it? I don't know. Anyway, have a great rest of your day, and I will see you in the next crafty video.